Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix voicemail not working in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on app management. Now click on app list and then scroll down, and here you can see the phone app. Now click on it and then click on storage and cache. Now here you can clear the cache memory of voicemail app. After that, go back to the main page of your settings and click on my phone, and then click on check for updates, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and scroll down and click on system, and then click on reset phones. Now here you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on reset Wi-Fi settings. It's mean reset network settings. Now click on reset. After reset your network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.